Nitro, look.
Nitro, wow. We are outside your balcony. Hello, Dwantro Fam.
Tada!
Ayun o, kaway kayo dyan sa vlog ah.
Hello! Meron pa. Taga saan kayo? Taga dito, syempre. Where are you from?
Diba? Malapit na.
Matagal na kayo dito? Oh my gosh!
Ay, wow.
Australian ka na!
Oh, talaga.
Nasali ka? Ito doon, baka nandun yung name ni Mami.
Oo nga.
Babasahin natin mamaya.
Taga saan ka sa Pilipinas before? Oh, Bisaya day ka. Mo ba?
Ilonggo.
Wow!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo and Pabibe. Ayan. And si Pabebe yung nakahawak ng camera natin. Okay guys, we have been given so much stuff na overloaded na yung maleta namin, alright? As in, wala nang makakasya sa maleta namin. Eto na siya, alright? Eto na lang ang kaya naming dalhin sa Brisbane na regalo na binigay para kay Baby Nitro. So, if you wanted to give us a gift, thank you so much po, pero wala na kaming space. But thank you so much sa lahat ng nagbibigay. It's very thoughtful of you to do this for Baby Nitro. So thank you so much. Amazing garden, Twirly Whirly. Baby Nitro, look.
Mas gusto niya yung tali. Oh no, it's gonna eat it.
Look, Baby Nitro. Okay, so next we have...
Oh, unboxing.
Oh yes, it's a Christmas stocking. I love these things. Na-miss ko to. Super na-miss ko to.
Naalala ko yung first time ko dito sa Australia.
Diba? They have Christmas stockings filled with Australian chocolate. Grabe, sarap. Sobrang miss ko to. Ayan, yun yung gusto ni Nitro, chocolate. Matakaw
Oh my
pala
gosh,
siya.
nacho.
Alright, we're gonna get another one. Oh, we have another letter from the Ramsay family.
Ito yung galing sa kanila.
Sign po natin. From the Ramsay family. Dear Dwantro family, welcome to Cairns. Isa po akong taga-subaybay ng mga vlogs niyo po. And I'm so I'm so excited na po nandito kayo sa Cairns. Sana po makita ko kayo in person with the Baby Nitro. Hope you like my simple gifts. Fanny na Fanny ako sa inyo. My YouTube channel din po ako. Sana maka-visit din po kayo if okay lang po sana. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy and have a wonderful day here in Cairns. The Ramsay family. Yun yung YouTube channel nila. Love, Jackie, Alex.
Ooh.
May chocolate pa! Oh my goodness, for you. Thank you so much. Oh, Dairy Milk chocolate. Oh,
Di,
gusto
kainin na natin lahat.
Oh, syempre.
Taba na talaga tayo.
Oh my. Taba-ching-ching na tayong tatlo. Yes, Tim Tam
Oh my
Shanta!
gosh, yay!
Christmas edition. Okay, baby, we're gonna put this down now. I know you love the bag and you love the tally, but we're gonna put it on the floor. Okay, baby? Yeah, on the floor. Okay. Sunod. Eto naman. To Dwaine Woolley. Oh, let's take it.
Smiggle! That's my favorite store.
Yes, it is. It's from Smiggle.
Para sa akin nata yan. Joke lang.
Cool. Look at that, Nitro. You always want the bag, don't you? Puro bag na lang gusto mo. Look. Kita ang Nitro.
Wow! It's a white bear.
It's a white polar bear. Yes, it's an albino bear. Maputi.
Nakakainin niya
Maputi kasi laging nagkagluta. Yes, baby, that's your bear. How cool is that? Loker. Oh, yeah, chocolate
Pagkain.
biscuits. Wow, we have so much food. We have so much food. We need to ubos this before we get to Brisbane.
Tataba na talaga.
Yes. Wow, crispy milk chocolate tortina. Chocolate bickies. Biscuit. What's it? Oh, Nitro, this is cool. Look at that, man. Oh, yeah. That is a 4-piece tableware set. It's a pinggan na may baso, ganon na may kutsara. From Smiggle. Your favorite store, Shanta. Grabe, no? Ang ganda. This is so cool, man. Yeah, that's for boys, isn't it? That's very panglalaki. Ano? What is this? Oh, yes!
Chocolate!
Mahal to ah!
Chocolate!
Lindor chocolates. Super mahal to. Social na chocolate. You want to hold that one? You want to hold it? Huh? Yeah, you want to hold it. It's so pretty. Ano? It's ginto. Gintong chocolate. Ano? Oh, we have a letter here from the person who sent this smiggle bag. Let's read this. A card. Oh, it's a Christmas card. To all the family, Christmas is a chance for sharing unforgettable moments. Welcome to Cairns Dwantro family. Hope to meet your baby Nitro kasi my baby din ako. He is 4 months old. His name is Aiden. Hope you would mind to visit my channel as I'm a new vlogger. Daming vlogger dito sa Cairns, no?
Yeah.
Janice Mahusga. Wag niyo siyang mahusgahan. Hope you like my small gifts. Have a good day. Love, Janice and Aiden. Thank you so much, Janice. This is
thank you.
awesome. So much chocolate. I love chocolate. I have a sippy cup for Nitro. A sippy cup.
It's the one with the straw.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it is.
Wait. Ayan.
From Legendary Videos to Dwantro Fam. I recently discovered your channel from my mum,
Ayan,
Edna
mama niya.
Katapusan.
Hello po, Mami.
Who's an avid fan of yours and suggested that we should give baby Nitro a toy to keep him and you entertained while in quarantine. Thanks to my mum, I became a new fan of your channel. Hope that you and baby Nitro will enjoy his new toy.
Wow.
Malapit
Baby
na
Nitro.
ang katapusan ng quarantine.
Yes.
Yun. At may dumating na katapusan.
Ay, oh, yung family name.
Oh.
Legendary Videos.
Gary.
Gary Katapusan.
Look, Nitro is jumping for joy.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
baby, you ready? Oh, wow. What do we got here? We got... Oh, a kangaroo! A sleepy
Oh my
kangaroo!
gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
He's more interested in the bag, though. Hey, look!
Hello,
It's a kangaroo.
cute.
Hello, Nitro. Hello.
Gusto ko to. Nitro, akin na lang to.
But there's a note in here. To baby Nitro, hey Dwantro Fam, it's me again, Joe Cetron. Ah, yeah. From iJojo Vlogs.
Oh, wow.
Subscribe niya niyan. Got baby Nitro something today. I hope he liked this new toy. Joe Cetron. Wow. Thank you
May
so much.
may
Yun ata kanina na yung nasa baba si Joe.
Yes.
Yeah.
May-
We've been given stuff from Janice Mahusga, from Legendary Vlogs,
Yes.
from iJojo Vlogs, from
And that
sino pa
one.
yung isa?
Ramsey.
Ramsey family, the Ramsey family, Jackie and Alex. So wow, thank you so much, guys. This is so much stuff. This is wow, amazing. We have 6 days left here.
Hey, there's one more.
Oh, saan?
Hey, Jason Wilson and
Oh, nga no. So, eto, binigay ni Jason Wilson and his wife Aina. His Mrs. Aina. So, they gave us the stuff. Jason Wilson, siya po yung parang sundalo na na-assign dito sa hotel na to. Hey, Jason. Third time today.
Third time today.
Cheers, mate. So, thanks heaps, mate. This is a chew toy for baby Nitro. He loves this thing because he loves the color black. Watch. Alright, tanggalin natin. Baby, look. Look. Oh, that's so cool, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, you love to eat that, don't you? Yes. He loves the color black. Black and white. He loves it. I hope he's not colorblind. Oh, he's given us a baby book as well.
Wow.
Trouble for...
Bunny.
More trouble, more bunny trouble. You know, we can read that to you as well, Nitro.
Bunny.
Yes. Oh, we have more books. Oh, lots of baby books. Noddy. Noddy goes to school. We have the very sleepy sloth. Gusto ko yan. Oh, we got lots of books to read to you.
Yes,
don't we?
it's so nice.
We don't have to get you anything, Nitro. You've been given everything. Lots and lots of books. We have a seal book here, colors book. We have a Tarzan book.
Wow.
Disney Tarzan book. And we don't have to get you any books or any toys at all because you have all the books and toys that you need.
Yes, ang dami,
Hey, baby.
Nitro.
Yes, that's right.
Ang dami. Oh my gosh. Natubunan na yung favorite ko. Ito. Tada!
Natapunan na.
Ang cute na
Hello.
Super. They're so soft.
So wow, thank you to everyone who has given us, you know, stuff for baby Nitro. It's been really good. Quick shout out to April, Lynn as well, and
Ria.
as well for giving us the fresh fruits and stuff. There are lots of people actually messaging us on like Instagram, Facebook, you know, na taga dito sa Cairns na gustong magpadala ng regalo para kay baby Nitro. We can't bring any more stuff to Brisbane. So we appreciate the thought. You know, we appreciate you wanting to give us stuff. We just can't take any more stuff. That's all.
Opo,
For
enough
your
na po
kindness.
sa amin na nanonood po kayo ng videos namin.
Yes,
Maraming salamat po. Tama, diba? Kasi 7 months siya today. Ang daming
Yeah, 7
gifts.
months mo ngayon, baby. 7 months mo ngayon.
Ang daming gifts sa'yo.
Alright, we're gonna make a thumbnail with all this stuff.
Okay. So, video ini ha.
Okay, Dwantro Fam, ito pa ang katapusan ng vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Baby Nitro, are you happy, baby? Are you happy, ha? Are you happy? You're so happy, you know, with all your toys. Yes, you are, baby. Yes, you are. Before we finish this video, we're gonna do shout-out, syempre, sa mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. We have 2 new ones. The Ramsey family have joined us. Welcome, Ramsey family, to Golden Dwantro Fam.
Sila yung nagbigay sa atin.
Oh, diba? Yun. Thank you, Ramsey family. And Lisley Channel is also a new Golden Dwantro Fam. So welcome, guys. We also have Mary J. Lee, Angel Mags, DXMT, Paul T. Who's that, baby?
Shane Ransberg,
Sino pa?
Haley and Ashley sisters,
Yun. Girly Pesigan, Kiko Arps. Oh, sino yun?
Chita Almira,
Yun.
Savior's Family Vlogs, Daramis,
Yes.
Christina Arsenio Dunsmir,
Tai Cheese Adventures.
Kala ko Takis yung
Nanti Bontien, Tosca Acorda.
Jocelyn Natividad.
Ayun, maraming salamat, guys. And these here are our certified Dwantro Fams on the screen now. Ito silang lahat. Ayun, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa Dwantro Fam. Now remember, guys, if you do want to be a certified Dwantro Fam or Golden Dwantro Fam, click the join button na nasa YouTube channel namin. Certified, you get Dwanta emojis and your name displayed at the end of every video. Golden Dwantro Fams get a shout out at the end of every video, and twice a month we have a VIP live session for Golden Dwantro Fam only. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you sa sunod video natin. Actually, in the next vlog, maybe we're gonna get swab tested.
Can you film that?
I think so.
Bawal.
Hindi ko alam. Tanungin ko. Alright, guys, bye for now.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.